everyone, I know there are tons of vlogs that were meant to come out before this one, but I couldn't wait to share the Rishikesh adventure with you all. So, welcome to my trip vlog where chaos, excitement, and a bit of drama all come together. First up, watch me pack, rush out the door, and nearly miss my train. Yes, it was a close call. Then it's back to my driver's seat after forever, but we made it, and soon I was cafe hopping and exploring the town, soaking in all the chill vibes. We hit up the serene Ganga Ghats, met some amazing strangers along the way, and then the ultimate highlight, river rafting. Let's say it was a bit more thrilling than expected because three people nearly took an unexpected swim. So, buckle up and let's dive right into the video. So your girl is all ready and me and Siddhant are going by train and Kaustubh and Pranav are coming by car to Delhi. It is a lot of chaos guys. हमारा last moment तक टिकट हो नहीं रहा था तो हम कार से जाने वाले थे but फाइनली टिकट हो गया चार्ट बनने से पहले मतलब चार्ट बनने के बाद आई डोंट नो बट कंफर्मेशन आ गया सो वी बोथ आर गोइंग बाय ट्रेन दिस इज माय बैग दैट आई एम कैरिंग दिस साइड बैग एंड वन बैकपैक सो दैट इज इट एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई एम वेयरिंग वेरी कम्फी और बारिश भी आ रही है आई एम सॉरी फॉर द मोमेंट ऑफ द कैमरा but movement of the camera but it's fine now let's go Ganpati Bappa Moria. In Rishikesh. Finally, we just booked a hostel. This is my first time staying in hostel to be very honest, but it's good. I took shower, got ready, and now we are planning to go for dinner. So that is the plan. You can hear the chaos maybe in the background, but yes, that is how it is.
ओके, गंगा मैया की हिप हिप गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति। रस्सी पकड़ के बाहर। अरे इनको पकड़ो। अरे इधर रस्सी पकड़ो, रस्सी पकड़ो, रस्सी मूव भाई मूव ऑन। भाई आराम से। भैया ऊपर ले लो। पहले राउंड में उसको वोट दिया होगा।